Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will explore the step-by-step process of diagnosing and repairing a damaged USB-C controller on your MacBook Air M2. First, let's gather the necessary tools. 1. P5 pentalobe screwdriver. 2. T5 Torx screwdriver. 3. Plastic spudger. 4. Tweezers. 5. Isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth. 6. ESD safe wrist strap, optional but recommended. Now that we have our tools ready, let's start the disassembly. Begin by powering off your MacBook Air M2 completely. Remove the screws from the bottom case using the P5 pentalobe screwdriver. Keep these screws organized in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently lift the bottom cover using a plastic spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. Next, we need to locate the USB-C controller. It's positioned near the logic board. Carefully inspect for any signs of physical damage, such as burned components or loose connections. If you notice any debris, use a microfiber cloth dipped in isopropyl alcohol to clean the area gently. If the controller appears intact but the ports are not functioning, it may be a connection issue. Check the flex cables connected to the controller. Use your tweezers to ensure they are securely attached. If you're hesitant or unsure about continuing, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, if you've confirmed that the USB-C controller is indeed damaged, you will need to replace it. To do this, remove the screws holding the controller in place using the T5 Torx screwdriver. Carefully lift the controller out, ensuring you do not damage surrounding components. Before installing the new controller, inspect the area for any dust or debris. Clean it thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol. Once the area is clean, position the new USB-C controller and secure it with the screws you previously removed. After the controller is in place, reconnect any flex cables. Ensure they are seated properly to avoid future issues. At this point, it's time to reassemble your MacBook. Carefully place the bottom cover back on and secure it with the P5 pentalobe screws. Make sure everything is tight but not overly so, to avoid cracking the case. Before powering on your device, double-check all connections. If you prefer not to handle the repair yourself or lack the tools, remember that we provide pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple process to get your MacBook Air M2 back in working order. Once you've reassembled your MacBook, power it on and test the USB-C ports. If everything is functioning, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your MacBook Air M2. If you still encounter issues, consider seeking our services, where you can get a quote before repair. This concludes our tutorial on fixing a damaged USB-C controller on your MacBook Air M2. With the right tools and a little patience, you can save yourself time and money. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.